Hello everyone, my name is Alexander and I'm the founder of Equimake. 1 week ago I have published my platform and over 400 users have joined. The community has been very helpful by giving me their feedback, telling me what needs to be improved, and overall being very supportive of my cause. I'd like to show you a tutorial on how to get started with Equimake to understand what is possible within the platform and what are some of the limitations. So let's get started. Let's explore and let's explore as guests. You're welcome to explore any community-made experience you see on the community page. Let's join Welcome Hub and send our first message. On the top left, there is a chat. Let's say, hey world. You are welcome to navigate any experiences with your left mouse. You can zoom in into any objects and simply chat with people and hang out. But what about creating? Let's start creating something. So let's navigate to my experiences and let's click create. Let's name our experience Get Started Experience, click Submit, and let's go into it. So first thing you see is a blank canvas, and on the top left, more options appear. So first option is Objects, Library, and Settings. Let's start by placing the new objects. Let's build a gallery today. So let me find the gallery, let me spawn it. By the way, you can also move the objects, you can rotate the objects, and you can scale them. The shortcuts are W, E, and R, same as Unity and Unreal Engine. Let's make the gallery a bit bigger and let's add some text. Let's rename our text and let's name it Alexander's Gallery. Click Submit. Oh, by the way, you can add a new line here. There we go. Let's adjust our text and let's make it a bit wider. By the way, if you notice, if you refresh the page, the camera will not be the right one. You can fix that by going to Settings, selecting the camera that you like to see, and click Update Image. Click Confirm, and it's going to update the default camera angle and the image of the community experience. So let's reload this page, and there we go. It is saved. How about uploading some 3D content? How about you finding your models, creating the models, or uploading them? So you can go to the library. And by the way, by default, you have some models shared with you, and you can preview them by clicking on the model. But if you want to upload your own model, you cannot do so as a guest. So you need to activate your account. Activation is fairly simple. It is free. All you need to do is either continue with Google, continue with Discord, or email. I'm going to do my email. My email is alexander@equimake.com. Feel free to drop me an email, ask me questions. I'll be more than happy to answer. So let's click continue. And let me quickly check my email here. I got the magic link that I'm going to copy and paste. And now I'm going to click enter. And that's it. My account is activated. I can go to my profile, either here or here, and I can rename myself. So let's call it Alexander Get Started. Click apply. Now, if I go back to my experience and I refresh the page, you'll see that my user is now Alexander Get Started, and this is my experience. So now I can go to the library and I can upload my content. I like to show you how easy it is to convert your images to 3D models. So I'm going to find image to GLB service, the first link as post.app, and I'm going to drop my image and I'm going to click convert. What it's going to do is going to convert the JPEG to a GLB file. In the meantime, you can also use Polycam from your phone to record a video of 3D objects in your real world, and then it's going to generate you a 3D model. Some people photoscan their apartment, some people photoscan random objects. You're welcome to do so. Or you can go on Sketchfab and download any of those models that you see. Make sure you check the license, and if you like the model that you see, you can click download 3D model and select the GLB converted format. Let's see if this is finished converting. Yes, it is. Let's click download. So it's going to convert, download the file Pexels Taylor. Okay. Now let's try uploading something into Equimake. So click upload and select the recent file. Click open. It's going to perform a conversion and it's going to upload the file for you. You're able to preview the file. And let's go back to our gallery. Let's refresh the page. Let's select the text and let's place this art there we go. So we can rotate it and we can scale it down, put it right on the wall. By the way, you can use F to focus on the object. And let's put it here. Now, let me show you something that is a killer feature of Equimake. It's a real-time collaboration with your teammates or your friends or anybody. So here I have two screens. One is my main perspective, and imagine that another one is your friend. So your friend could just click sign in, continue as guest, and then they would be able to join your world. They could say, hey, and you'll be able to see it in your chat on the left. You can say hi, and you can give them access to actually build with you. So right now they're viewer, but you can give them editor role. And now your friend can build with you. So if I scale something or modify something, it gets duplicated and replicated on your screen. And for example, I'm going to clone this text and I'm going to change this text to say, hi from friends. And there we go. You can easily collaborate with your friends like that. Your friends can also spawn models, and you can also see that in real time. I think this is one of the killer features of Equimake that really enables this real-time collaboration, communication, and exploration. So please feel free to try it out. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm excited to see what the community can build. Thank you so much.